In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products to Gumroad. First, open your browser and head over to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to sell from. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Products and click on it. This is where all your current and future products will live. On the Products page, you'll see a button that says New Product. Click that to start creating something from scratch. A setup window will open where you can begin defining what you're selling. Start by clicking into the name field and typing in the name of your product. Try to choose a clear, descriptive title so potential buyers immediately understand what they're getting. Just below that, you'll select the type of product, such as a digital product, course, tutorial, or ebook. Pick the option that best matches what you're offering, as this can influence how Gumroad displays and delivers it. Next, enter your price. Type in the amount you want to charge, and then use the currency drop-down icon to choose the currency you want to sell in. Take a moment to think about where most of your customers are based so the pricing feels natural to them. When you're happy with that, click on Next Customize to move into the detailed setup. Now you'll see more fields to shape how your product appears. Click into the description field and write a clear, helpful description. Explain what's included, who it's for, and what outcomes your customers can expect. Below that, add a custom URL for your product so the link is easy to share and remember. In the cover section, click on the option to upload images or videos and choose a strong, eye-catching cover for your product. Then in the thumbnail area, click Upload and add a smaller image that will appear in product lists and previews. Scroll down to the product info section. Choose your call to action text from the drop-down. For example, buy this or I want this, and then type a short summary underneath. This summary is like a quick pitch, so keep it concise and compelling. If you like, you can click Add Details in the Additional Details section to include extra information, such as file formats, requirements, or bonuses. In the integration section, you can choose to invite customers to external communities like member platforms or chat groups, if that's part of your offer. Next, in the pricing section, you can refine how customers pay. Here you can enable options like allowing customers to pay what they want or offering installment payments. Below that, the versions section lets you add different versions of your product, such as a standard and a VIP version, each with its own features and price. Move on to the settings section to control advanced options. Here you can limit the total number of sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, or choose whether to publicly display the number of sales on your product page, among other toggles. At the top of the page, click on the Content tab. This is where you add the actual digital files or content your buyers will receive. Use the upload icon next to the hyperlink icon to select files from your device, such as PDFs, zip files, videos, or audio. Wait for them to finish uploading before you continue. Next, click on the Receipt tab. In this area, you can customize the receipt experience your customers see after purchasing. Add button text that tells them what to do next, like download your files, and write a custom message to thank them or give them important instructions. Then click on the Share tab. Here you'll see options and links for sharing your product once it's live, such as your product URL and any embedding options available. When everything looks good, click on Publish and Continue. Gumroad will guide you through the final steps of publishing your product, which are straightforward. Once you complete those, your digital product will be live and ready for customers to